Hello Enagic family, hope you guys are doing well and staying healthy. Today's topic is on our special diverter which is called Inline Diverter. This diverter is especially designed to make the life easier for the pull-out faucet users. Pull-out faucets are the one where the nozzle of the faucet is connected to the hose and the nozzle can be pulled out from the stationary faucet base to spray the water. Let's try with the adapters and diverter that came with the machine. Let's try the plastic one which won't work, and then metal which also won't. Please get the inline diverter. Please unscrew the nozzle from the faucet hose and get the inline diverter. As we compare, and you can see the thread size and the diameter of the nozzle end and the inline diverter is same. Let's screw the nozzle into the inline diverter's female end. Now get the faucet hose and have it connected to the other end of the inline diverter. Please make sure to have a gasket in between the hose and the inline diverter. That gasket will be there originally from your faucet. As the inline diverter is connected between faucet nozzle and faucet hose, get the machine supply line and have it connected to inline with the help of a metal nut that came with the inline diverter. Push the hose on and have it tightened with the help of the nut by twisting it. Now everything is set up. Pull the pin out to send the water to the machine and push it back in to have it from the faucet normally.